I spent $240 in 30 days testing Notion AI against MEM, and one of them is a complete waste of money. Here's what happened. I tracked every single minute of my workflow across both tools for a full month. Notion AI won 7 out of 9 categories I tested. But here's the twist, that doesn't mean you should buy it. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notes, tasks, projects, databases, it does everything, with AI bolted on top. MEM is an AI-first notes app. No folders, no tagging. It just learns what you write and surfaces it automatically. For the first week, MEM felt like magic. I dumped in meeting notes, random ideas, research clips, and it actually found things without me organizing anything. But by week 2, the cracks showed. When I needed to track a project with deadlines and dependencies, MEM couldn't do it. Notion AI's new Agents and Workers feature from early 2026? That actually handled recurring tasks without me touching anything. The killer test was Q&A accuracy. Notion AI understood my workspace context. MEM gave me generic answers that sounded right but missed the specifics. So who wins? If you're a chaotic note-taker who never organizes, MEM saves you time. But if you run actual projects, Notion AI is worth every dollar of that $240. I kept Notion. MEM got uninstalled.